Good morning. I'm Dr. Rajalakshmi. I'm a consultant neurosurgeon and also a mentor at Concept for Neurosurgery. So now we are going to face the NEET Super Speciality Examination for 2022. So now what happens? You are going to have equal priorities for all the subjects. So you are going to read up all the basics of almost all the subjects. So if you take up a neurosurgery will be covered in Bailey, Sebastian, Greenberg and Yeomans and multiple other books. Now you will not be able to spare each subject every specific time, like all the books have to be covered, which is simply impossible. Even if you do that, you will not be able to make it up for a complete session, and you will not be able to grasp the points which are very important for the entrance examinations. So suppose if you take up the last exam of 2021, which has been conducted recently in January 10th, 2022, there is a very unexpected pattern in neurosurgery. Many had not expected this long clay scenarios and also did not expect the neuroradiology questions, and they did not expect the neuropediatric or neuropediatric surgery concern questions. Yes, this is how papers will questionnaire are getting settled. So now if you are going to take up the neurosurgery proper, you will not be able to cover all the books. So now what we are going to deal with is, when the neurosurgery is going to be covered, we are going to divide it into parts. So what are all the topics which are going to be high yield, that is which will be covered uniformly in almost every paper are: 1. Neurotrauma and basics of neurosurgery, that is intracranial pressure, the Monte-Killian doctrine concepts and also the intracranial pressure monitoring. These are the two things which are going to be covered uniformly in any question paper. The other high yielding point is, the third high yielding topic is the brain tumors. Brain tumors is a very vast topic which can include starting from gliomas to ependymomas, everything. What exactly you need to know is that brain tumors are going to be your catchy questions. Those who are able to crack up these brain tumor questions will be able to have in higher ranks appropriately. So these are the three topics which are going to be your core topics to be covered. So the maximum contribution is going to be from these three topics. Other small topics also has to be covered, like neuropediatrics part and also the vascular surgery parts, deep brain stimulation, that is the motor disorders involvement part. Few topics has to be raised, like including neuroradiology, peripheral nerves and all. So in that catchy highlighted points only has to be known. So what is the advantage of taking up all these coachings is, when you are unable to focus on only on a dedicated thing, you are in the situation that you are not be able to focus on a dedicated subject. So when we are unable to focus on dedicated subject, when we have to cover a vast number of syllabus and we don't know where precisely we have to stop and where precisely we have to learn, that is where the coaching centers and also the coaching guides come into exactly. In these positions, what exactly we do is, we take up the crux of the topics and give up to the knowledge of what exactly you need, and then we have to work out on the deficient topics of your knowledge, and then we have to upgrade. So there are few standard concepts in which you have to be thorough with, like basics and also neurotrauma, and there are few high yield topics which have to be covered with, like in brain tumors, and few other special parts like neuroradiology, neuropediatrics, vascular and also peripheral nerve. So this is how we are going to cover. Few topics from Bailey will be sufficient and few from Sebastian, but these are not sufficient alone for brain tumors. The brain tumors part will be taken from an exhaustive book and then it will be given to you. I hope I made it clear. Thank you.